everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 3, from tasting to digesting. So let's begin. Question number 1 is, choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter or alphabet in the box provided against each question. So number 1, which vegetable tastes bitter? Answer is B, bitter gourd. Number 2, on putting a few drops of which substance on our tongue do we experience sour taste? Answer is D, lemon juice. Number 3, on which part of the tongue can we experience sweet taste nicely? Answer is A, the front part. Number 4, which of the following spices taste is hot? Answer is B, black pepper. Number 5, what does the function of taking food from mouth to the stomach? Answer is B, a food pipe. Number 6, for which body part did Dr. Beaumont conduct experiment on the soldier named Martin? Answer is A, stomach. Number 7, which organ of the digestive system does the function of churning food? Answer is C, stomach. Now let's see, fill in the blanks. Question number 2, fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1, the taste of glucose is dash. Answer is sweet. Number 2, if the vegetable is bland, then dash has not been added to it. Answer is salt. Number 3, from chili, salt, soft, sugar, etc. dash can be recognized with its smell. Answer is soft. And question number 4, the food is chewed in the dash. Answer is mouth. Number 5, the food goes from the stomach to the dash. Answer is small intestine. Question number 6, food is completed digested in the dash. Here answer is small intestine. Food is completely digested in the small intestine. So I will help you writing the spelling. SMALL, small, and intestine. Okay, so small intestine is the answer. Next, number 7, from the spices in the kitchen dash taste is bitter. Answer is fenugreek. Number 8, we cannot know the proper taste of food when we suffer from dash. Answer is cold. Then let's see question number 3. Put a tick mark in front of the statements that are true and a cross in front of those that are false. So number 1, raw mango taste is sweet. Answer is false. Number 2, food is completely digested in the stomach. Answer is false. Number 3, turmeric has an astringent taste. Answer is true. Number 4, the tongue does the work of recognizing taste. Answer is true. Number 5, tamarind tastes sour. Answer is true. Number 6, the back part of the tongue recognizes sweet taste. Answer is false. Number 7, curry leaves are added to dal and vegetables. Answer is true. Number 8, lemon juice is given to a person suffering from vomiting and loose motion. Answer is true. Now let's see question number 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter or alphabet from column B in the answer column. So number 1, salt. Answer is 4, salty. Number 2, chili. Answer is 5, hot. Number 3, dry raw mango. Answer is 2, sour. Number 4, fenugreek. Answer is 1, bitter. Now let's see, match the following. Number 2. Number 1, mouth. Answer is 3, does the work of chewing food and mix it with saliva. Number 2, food pipe. Answer is number 5, take the food from the mouth to the stomach. Then number 3, stomach. Answer is 1, churns the food. Number 4, small intestine. Answer is digest most of the food. Let's begin with question number 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1, which are the 6 tastes of food? Answer, the 6 tastes of food are sweet, salty, sour, hot, bitter, and astringent. Number 2, name 2 food items that taste bitter. Answer, names of 2 food items that taste bitter are bitter gourd vegetable and fenugreek laddus. Number 3, what are known as digestive organs? Answer, organs which digest food or those which help in digestion are known as digestive organs. Number 4, name the organs of the digestive system. Answer, the organs of the digestive systems are number 1, mouth, teeth, tongue. Number 2, food pipe. Then number 3, stomach. Number 4, small intestine. And number 5, large intestine. Question number 5, what is acidity? Answer, when food is not digested properly, that is, one suffers from indigestion, there is a burning sensation in the stomach. This is known as acidity. Then question number 6, do you like only one kind of taste or different ones? Why? Answer, I like different taste. Love for food remains intact when one eats food items of different tastes. Number 7, which taste could be made out on which part of your tongue? Answer, sweet taste on the front portion of the tongue, salty and sour taste on the side of the center, and bitter taste on the back portion of the tongue. Number 8, what does the saliva do in our mouth? Answer, saliva makes the food we eat soft and sweet. Moreover, when saliva mixes with food, it becomes easy to digest. Number 9, how do you come to know that you are hungry? Answer, when I am hungry, I naturally feel like eating. I feel that my stomach is empty. Due to this, I feel tired. I do not like to do any work. My mind cannot concentrate on studies or any other task. Many times I feel angry also. Then question number 10. What do you understand by balanced diet? Answer, food from which we get the necessary nutrients so that the body is completely nourished. That food is called balanced diet. So here we complete our question number 5. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with the second part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.